Let's explore one of the most exciting categories, the callouts. I love callouts because they have a lot of features. I'll jump inside our website and I will go After Effects templates, and into the search bar I will type callouts. There are two types, with and without placeholder. I will go with this one and click download. Now inside After Effects, everything as always is very organized, and let's adjust the first one. I will type here Andy Masters, and that also will affect the box. And also I will type here create without limits. And the cool part is that you can adjust almost everything. I will click into this null layer and I can adjust the position of this one, and also can adjust the position of the base here, and I can adjust the position of this text, and all this without affecting the animation at all. Now if I go to the control panel, I can adjust the width of the line one. Also I can scale that. I can scale also that. Of course the colors as always. And yeah, I can expand the box if I want. I can expand this one, let's say, and drag this a little bit here. And also I can drag and drop a media file to this one. It's cool. Great result. And as always, we can adjust the timing of this one. I'll create a new comp. I will name that main. I'll drag and drop, let's say, this clip inside. That's this one. And also I'll drag and drop first callout we created. I'll adjust a little bit the scale of this one. And I can affect the duration of the callout without affecting the animation inside. So that will fit into our clip. And of course, last one, you can animate those null objects. I will choose this one. I will add a keyframe into the position. I'll move forward. Add another one here. And let's check the result. And it's working. That's all. If you have any questions, drop a comment below.